Hello, this is our 3D model of a biomesh fog catcher with an integrated filtration system. The structure is built using PVC frame that supports the mesh net. Hello, this is our 3D model for a fog catcher and an integrated filtration system. This structure is built using PVC frames that support the mesh net, which is the main surface for capturing the water fog. This net is positioned at an angle to maximize water collection and allow gravity to guide the droplets forward. So, as fog passes throughout the mesh, water droplets collect and begin to form here in the mesh. Then they run down to the collection system, which is this tube right here. Then, during this tube, it goes to our filtration system, which has different layers, such as charcoal, cotton, and gravel and sand. This helps filter the water and remove any impurities. Okay, so what is the problem? The problem is that in many regions, there is not water for... Okay, so what is the problem? The problem is that in many regions, there is a lot of fog. But what's the problem? They cannot collect it. As you may know, there are water droplets in fog. This way, this machine can collect them and have a clean, drinkable water for different communities. The mesh surface is inspired by the naive desert beetle, which uses texture patterns to collect water from fog, such as this net right here. The filtration system is inspired by oysters, which naturally filter water by trapping particles by combining two strategies. Our design both collects water and cleans water efficiently. Oysters clean water by having different layers and collecting different impurities at the different layers. So, what it looks like in real life. In real life production, this system would be built using affordable and accessible materials. The frame would be made out of PVC pipes, which are very cheap. For example, here, each PVC pipe that's around 2 meters costs around 4,000 pesos, and I only needed 2 of those. The mesh would be durable material like a ration mesh, which is more efficient and commonly used in fog catchers. The filtration system would use recycled plastic bottles or to filled with natural filtering materials like sand, charcoal, and cotton. So, where and how would it be used? This system would be installed in areas with different fog, such as coastal or mountainous regions. Multiple units could be set up together to increase water production and support communities for farms, especially for ecological cattle ranching. So, why is this design in production? This design is practical because it's at low cost, easy to build, and requires minimal maintenance. It does not rely on electricity and uses natural process, making a sustainable solution for water secrecy. Okay, so this model shows how simple nature-inspired designs can be scaled to a real-life solution that provides clean water and supports sustainable living. Thank you very much.